Hello everybody, my name is Marouan and I'm Senior Publisher and Advertiser Manager at Adcash. Today, I will be answering some of the most frequent questions for advertisers. Regarding tips for CPM advertisers, we could provide many. However, the most crucial ones are: use quality tier bidding and add tracking to all your campaigns. In order to efficiently optimize your campaigns, we recommend 4 main points. Number 1, use CPM per tier. Number 2, track everything, as simple as that. Don't fall in the mistake of not using tracking. Number 3, check the performance tab to understand and analyze each of the traffic sources. Last point, which is also very important and highly recommended, always pass the conversion value. We recommend to pass it at the pain level, for example, a sale. This will allow you to have extra data to analyze, like for example, the ROI. At this stage, you might have heard many times the term Performance tab, and you might be asking yourself, what is Performance tab? Performance tab is a powerful dashboard where you can analyze the key metrics to optimize your campaigns. Use it to monitor important metrics like ROI or return on ad spend, but do not forget to pass the conversion value. During the campaign creation process, the advertiser can add the conversion value to all the payout types in different ways. Automatic, it will be taken directly from the prospect, or manual, the advertiser can enter the conversion value for each campaign. The conversion value amount is also available from the tracking tab. Well, and this has been all for today. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any news from Adcash or the AdTech industry. If you have any comments, please drop a comment below or write an email to contact@adcash.com. Until the next time.